Okay, so this will be my third example in evaluating six trigonometric functions given angle in standard position and also using reference angle. And we have here example number 3. It says, find the exact values of the six circular functions. Ito na yung six trigonometric functions. Letter A, angle theta equals 7 phi over 4. And letter B, angle in standard position is negative 4 pi over 3. So, we are unfamiliar with, hindi masyado nating alam kung nasa ang quadrant yung 7 pi over 4. So, what we're going to do is, convert muna. Okay, diretso ko na ha. Multiply 7 by 180. So, 7 times 180 and divided by 4. So, this is 315 degrees. Okay? The same as 315 degrees. So, 315 degrees. Okay? And then, kunin natin sine, cosine, tangent of 315. Okay? And 315 degrees is located sa uh, fourth quadrant. Okay? So, fourth quadrant. Kunin natin reference angle. Okay? Uh-huh. So, 315 degrees located sa fourth quadrant. So, theta in standard position is 315. Or this is your 7 pi over 4. Okay? So, kunin natin yung kanyang reference angle. Sa reference angle in degree, madali. Ano? Kita ka agad. This is 45 degrees. No? Pero, ang unit kasi natin is in radian. Okay? How did I obtain 45 degrees? Just subtract 360 by 315. Or, in radian, that will be paano ang ating reference angle. So, ang one complete revolution is 2 pi in radian. So, therefore, 2 pi minus 7 pi over 4. Okay? So, that will be 4 times 2 is 8 minus 7 is 1 pi or just simply pi over 4. And pi over 4 is the same as 45 degrees. Okay? So, ito na yung ating reference angle in radian. So, kunin na natin yung six circular functions. Sine 7 pi over 4. Or that is the same as sine 315. Okay? Using the reference angle, we have sine pi over 4. Okay? Ano ang sine ng sine function sa fourth quadrant? Negative. So, we affix negative sign. Okay? So, sine pi over 4 or sine 45 degrees is square root of 2 over 2. So, that is negative square root of 2 over 2. Okay? Next. Cosine. Cosine 7 pi over 4. This is the same as cosine pi over 4. We use the reference angle now. And cosine sa fourth quadrant is positive. Therefore, cosine pi over 4 is positive square root of 2 over 2. Okay. Next is tangent. Tangent 7 pi over 4 is the same as tangent pi over 4 using the reference angle. But tangent on the fourth quadrant is negative. So, tangent pi over 4 is 1. So, negative 1. Okay? Last is, we have cosecant 7 pi over 4. That is, cosecant dun sa ating fourth quadrant is also negative. Negative cosecant pi over 4. That is equal to cosecant 45 or pi over 4 is square root of 2. So, negative square root of 2. Secant 7 pi over 4 is the same as negative. Positive pala si secant sa fourth quadrant. Secant pi over 4. Secant pi over 4 is square root of 2. Okay? Okay? And cotangent 7 pi over 4 is the same as negative cotangent pi over 4. That is just a reciprocal nito. So, negative 1. Okay? So that is our answer for letter A. We have determined the six circular functions of this angle, 7 pi over 4, using the reference angle and the sign of the six trigonometric functions dun sa ating fourth quadrant. Now, we're going to answer letter B. So, bale, ito yung ating mga sagot. We have sa dalawa, tatlo, apat, lima, and the last one is this one. Okay? So, ito natin yung letter B. In answering letter B, we must first convert negative 4 pi over 3 to degree para malaman natin kung saan quadrant nag-fall yung ating terminal side sa xy plane. So, 4 times 180, okay? To convert, multiply 4 by 180 and the result will be divided by 3. 240 degrees. So, this is equivalent to negative 240 degrees. Okay? So, makatwid, nandito siya sa second quadrant kasi negative yung angle natin. So, naandito siya. So, ito yung ating x, ito yung y. This is our theta. Okay? Which is negative 4 pi over 3. Kailangan nating reference angle ito. Yan yung gap between the terminal side and the horizontal axis. Theta prime. Okay? This is pi. This is 4 pi over 3. So, para makuha yon, we're just going to subtract theta by pi. Okay? So, therefore, the reference angle is 4 pi over 3 minus pi. No? Kasi, yung mga negative sometimes hindi ginagamit kasi ito naman ang kailangan natin. So, this is 4 pi over 3. You subtracted it by pi. So, makukuha mo ito. Okay? So, we have pi over 3. Okay? And pi over 3 is 60 degrees. Okay? Check natin. Subtract naman natin ng 180 yung 240. 240 minus 180 is 60 degrees. So, tama sagot natin. Pi over 3 is 60 degrees. So, kunin na natin yung six circular functions starting with sine negative 4 pi over 3. That is the same as sine pi over 3. Okay? Ano ang sign ng sine function sa second quadrant? Positive. So, positive to. Sine pi over 3 or sine 60 degrees is, that will be square root of 3 over 2. Okay? And cosine negative 4 pi over 3, that is the same as cosine. The reference angle is pi over 3. Pero second quadrant, negative dun si cosine. Cosine pi over 3, cosine is 1/2. So, negative 1/2. Pwede yung check using scientific calculator. But I'm going to give you exercises na hindi kayo gagamit ng scientific calculator. We have tangent negative 4 pi over 3. That is the same as tangent pi over 3. And tangent sa second quadrant is also negative. Tangent pi over 3 is square root of 3 lamang. So, negative square root of 3. And then we have cosecant negative 4/3 of pi. That is the same as cosecant is positive sa second quadrant. Cosecant pi over 3. Okay? Cosecant, baliktad lang. So, 2 over square root of 3. Baliktad rin lang. Or that is equal to 2 square root of 3 over 3. And then, second, negative 4 pi over 3 is the same as negative secant pi over 3. Baliktad rin lang. That will be negative 2. And cotangent negative 4 pi over 3 is the same as negative cotangent the reference angle. And that is negative square root of 3 over 3. Okay? Okay. So, yun ang sagot natin na 6 circular functions sa letter B. Okay? Okay. So, that will be the end of the third example in finding the exact value of the 6 circular functions using reference angle and the table of values. Thank you.